Hello everyone! In this video, you will learn how to recover data from a destroyed RAID array of RAID 0 and RAID 1 levels created using the built-in AMD motherboard controller RAIDXpert2 Configuration Utility. We will take a detailed look at a topic that is relevant for many PC users based on AMD processors: how to access data on RAID array disks after a motherboard failure, and what measures will help minimize the risk of losing information in the future. Most AMD motherboards support two main types of RAID arrays: RAID 0, used to increase data read and write speed; RAID 1, the so-called mirror, which provides increased reliability for storing important information. In this video, I will show how to create such arrays, and most importantly, what to do if the RAID has been destroyed, the motherboard has failed, or the array was accidentally deleted